Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are well. Today we will study chemical coordination in plants. Chemical coordination in plants means we will discuss about the different types of plant hormones, physiological effects or of auxins, gibberellins, cytokinin, abscisic acid and ethylene. These 5 are called plant hormones. We also discuss phototropism, geotropism, hydrotropism and thymostropism and also chemotropism. So let's start without wasting time. First, plants do not possess nervous. जैसे एनिमल्स में नर्वस सिस्टम होता है वैसे प्लांट के अंदर नर्वस सिस्टम नहीं होता. दे हैव सम केमिकल्स फॉर कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन. केमिकल कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ प्लांट इज अचीव्ड थ्रू प्लांट हार्मोन्स. प्लांट हार्मोन्स आर डिफ्यूजिबल केमिकल्स substances other than nutrients which control plant growth, development and response to environment. Plant hormones, which are also called phytohormones. Phyto means plant, hormones means chemicals, are also called plant growth regulators, PGRS, because they regulates the plant growth. Since they stimulate और inhibit growth, ये प्लांट की ग्रोथ को स्टिमुलेट भी कर सकते हैं, एनहेंस भी कर सकते हैं और इनहिबिट भी कर सकते हैं, स्टॉप भी कर सकते हैं. 5 मेजर टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट हार्मोन्स आर ऑक्सिन, जिब्रेलिन्स, साइटोकाइनिन, एब्सिसिक एसिड एंड इथाइलिन. 3 of them are promoters which enhance the growth, that are auxin, gibberellins and cytokinin. Abscisic acid is a plant inhibitor which inhibit the growth of plants, and ethylene is a gaseous hormone which had dual function in inhibition as well as in promotion of growth. So this is the general introduction of plant hormones. Now we will discuss one by one important points of these hormones. First hormone is the auxins. It is a variety. It is a category of different chemicals. These are weakly acids. These are the weak acidic plant hormones. Auxins are the acidic plant hormones but weak, which are capable to promoting cell elongation. ये किस लिए यूज होते हैं? सेल elongation, especially of shoot segment. Shoot means stem segment जिसमें leaves, stem, flowers और fruit आते हैं. At a concentration of less than 100 ppm parts per million. That is inhibitory to roots. They are not helpful in roots, so that they are called shoot hormones. The natural auxin is indole 3-acetic acid, which is also called IAA. It is synthesized by amino acid tryptophan inside सूट के अंदर ही नेचुरली इसका सिंथेसाइज होता है बाय द ट्रिप्टोफैन हार्मोन एपिक्सिस यंग डेवलपिंग लीव्स. मेन पार्ट कहाँ पे सिंथेसाइज होता है? ऑन द एपिसिस टॉप पार्ट ऑफ द लीव्स एज वेल एज सीड्स. सम अदर सिंथेटिक हार्मोन्स, सिंथेटिक ऑक्सिन्स आर 2,4-D, 2,4,5-T and NNA. These are called synthetic auxins. इसके अलावा they are also used as herbicides. Herbicides are those which are used to the plant growth or greenery to take care. Indole Butyric acid IBA is both natural and synthetic oxime. अगर आपसे पूछे tell any one example of hormone, plant hormone which is used, chemical which is used in natural and synthetic oximes, that is indole butyric acid. What are the functions of these hormones? Means oxines. Number 1, cell enlargement. They are capable to growth of cells by the cell elongation. Root formation. They are helpful to root formation. That's why they are basically used in horticulture process. Horticulture means growth of vegetation. Respiration. Oxime stimulate the respiration. They provide energy to the plants and they respire. Movement. Several plants movements, different reasons, different distributions like geotropism, phototropism. Apical dominancy. IA is mainly useful in apical dominancy. Apical bud does not allow to sprouting of nearly buds due to high concentration, but due to presence of this hormone it is possible. Inhibition of abscission. Abscission means falling of leaves or falling of premature leaves and fruits. Fruit growth. They are also promote fruit growth. Sweetening of fruits. IBA. Indole butyric acid increases the sweetness of fruits, and this is also used in different types of fruit to create artificial sweetness in the fruits. Parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy is a process in which fruits are formed without pollination. Unpollinated flowers are formed and they gives fruits. Weedicides 2,4-D and 2,4,5-T are used as weedicides. Weedicides are those which is used to kill weeds. Weeds क्या होती हैं? Small, unnecessary, unuseful grasses are called weeds. So in our next part, we will discuss gibberellins, cytokinin, ethylene, abscisic acid, and other points of this chapter. If you like this, comment, share, and like this video. Thank you.